Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder from dividing the polynomial by x minus 1. Synthetic division is a way of dividing one polynomial by a linear binomial to find the quotient and remainder. When dividing by a linear binomial using synthetic division, make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x minus 1 is already in this form, so we will be using 1 in the synthetic division calculations. These 5 placeholders are for each of the coefficients of the polynomial. Since this is a polynomial of degree 4, there are 5 placeholders, 1 for each term. This is how synthetic division works. The numerical term goes here, which we determined was 1. And then fill in the coefficients from the polynomial here. So the coefficient for this term is 1. The coefficient for this term is negative 12. The coefficient for this term is 37. The coefficient for this term is negative 6. And the constant term is negative 56. Start by dropping the first term here and then multiplying it by this term. So 1 times 1 goes here. Negative 12 and 1 is negative 11. 1 times negative 11 is negative 11. 37 combined with negative 11 is 26. 1 times 26 is 26, and it goes here. Negative 6 and 26 is 20. And then 1 times 20 goes here. Negative 56 and 20 is negative 36. So we end up with this division equation. P of x divided by x minus 1 equals, and these are the coefficients of the quotient, which is a polynomial of 1 degree less than the original polynomial. So we get x cubed minus 11x squared plus 26x plus 20 with a remainder of negative 36. From the remainder theorem, we know that this term, this remainder of negative 36, is the same as p of x for x equals 1.